Hey guys, Dan here from Dangerously Fit. In this week's video, I'm going to be going through our unboxing of our new 30 kilo steel club. So these are around about £66. They're now available in our Australian warehouse and they'll be coming to our US and our New Zealand warehouse in about 8 to 10 weeks as well. Been looking forward to these coming in. We've had a lot of people asking about getting heavier clubs. Currently we was only selling 20 kilo clubs, around about £44. And now we've got those heavier 25 kilo and 30 kilo clubs. Yeah, so the heaviest is £66 at the moment. So just gonna unbox this now. All of our clubs are powder coated, which assists your grip and also resists chipping as well. The club is casted into a single mold, so there's no ugly wielding, so it's just one single machine piece of steel. And at the bottom end is a rounded pommel, which sits into the heel of your hand, feels really comfortable, just gives you that extra grip when you're swinging. So this thing's an absolute beast. The club itself is 80 centimeters long and the handle is 4 centimeters wide. And at the other end of the club, we've got the weight. Quickly see which weight you're gonna be swinging. Okay, just gonna take the club for a quick spin now, see how it feels. So just remember when you're training with clubs, progressions are two-handed. Once you can do the exercise with two hands, you can go up to single arm, and then we can go single arm, you can go doubles, which is one in each hand. So this is a beast of a club. I'm probably going to start two-handed movements with this one, see how it goes, and then try and progress onto some single arm movements later on once I can get the feel for the club. Okay, so we're just going to get that club into that two-handed order position. This club feels really nicely balanced. Okay, so it's just going to perform some shield casts. Two-handed arm cast, keep that elbow tucked in, both elbows in, and then from there, keep that bicep close to the ear, and then putting down. That feels really nice. So it's good to get some two-handed movements done as well. I mean, I do a lot of single arm movements and we can go heavy on the Mavericks because they are adjustable, but it's real nice to have that option to go a real heavy steel club for two-handed movements as well. And I do plan on putting some heavy club workouts into the YouTube channel as well, so be sure to check those out. So if you want to get your hands on a heavier steel club, I'll leave the links in the description below. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.